JDCap26 here, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And here we are in applications up here. See applications. You want to go to applications, and then you want to go down to utilities. See utilities right there, and open up utilities. And then you want to go to disk utility. Okay, here's your disk utility. This is where when your iMac is sick, you want to fix it. So you go up to the top and you go to first aid. See first aid, and you click on first aid. It'll say, you know, blah, blah, blah. Little errors, and then we'll repair the disk if necessary. Okay, so you hit run, let it do its thing, okay? We'll go back and forth, and then see operation successful and done. So when you have problems with your Mac, that's where you go. You go into disk utility, where I just showed you. So I hope this helps you. I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.